Oh, hello there. So today I'm going to show you how to use Base64 Master plugin. So in Base64 Master plugin, you will be able to convert a text or a file to Base64 and convert that Base64 again back to its original state, which is text or file. So now I'm going to show you how to convert text to Base64. So this is the form for that. So first we need a text in order to convert that. So I'll give a random text, convert text to base64. Then I'll click on the button. So as you can see, I got the result as a base64. So I'll click on this to copy. Now what I'll do is I'll convert this base64 to this original text. So I'll paste that here. Then I'll click on get text. And you can see I got the text. So I was able to encrypt the text to base64 and decrypt that base64 to text. So I'll show you which action I'm using for both of the events. So, so this is the action called convert text to base64 where it asks for text lists. This means that you can give any number of texts as you want and it will convert all those texts that you have given to base64. And in order to give multiple texts you need to separate them by comma. So you can do that is here is give a comma here, then repeat the same thing again and just do some slight changes. Convert base64 to text. Now if I click on the button, you can see I got two base64s. So this is the list of texts to list of base64. So according to the list you have given, you'll get those base64 as well. And the same thing you can do here as well. So I'll copy this and give a comma and put one more base64. Now I'll click on the button. You can see I got two texts. So here also this is asking for text lists. You can give that. And for getting the text from base64, this is the action convert base64 to text. It asks for base64 lists. And you can give that by giving comma separated data. So yeah, this is how you convert text to base64 and vice versa. Thank you.